Hi, this is Precise Lighting. Wondering what we do? We're a leading manufacturing lighting company. We provide lighting solutions for both commercial and personal projects. We have various unique lighting fittings from indoors to outdoor. Our customer service, the voice of Precise Lighting, easy to reach to attend to every inquiry and customer needs. Our sales rep, they know the product at their fingertips. They freely give you advice and recommend the ideal lighting choice for different spaces. Mr. Tolu, what were you doing 2 years ago? At Precise Lighting, we don't just sell light, we provide job opportunities for everyone. No worries. Client projects are not left out. We have our experts well trained to advise you through the process from start to finish, site visit inclusive. For quotation and pricing, it is almost at manufacturer's rate, which we can assure you cannot get elsewhere with the same quality. And yes, we manufacture based on your specification. With our finance department, payments are confirmed seamlessly. They got you covered. Readily available to monitor your payment. Here, accountability is the watchword. The Precise Warehouse. Here we stock our products. As you can see, we have a lot in stock to meet your various needs. Precisely precise. Our professional technicians cross the T's and dot the I's. It's a flawless installation with little charge. You'll be proud and happy. Client referrals is our testimony. Our logistic department. This department caps everything. We drive to us putting a smile on our client faces, delivering our products in the comfort of your home. We deliver within and outside Lagos. At Precise Lighting, we never compromise our standard. We are known to provide quality and long-lasting lighting fixtures. Come to 15A Imabimbola Cole Street, Lekki Phase 1. We'll be looking forward to having you. Thank you.